Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sausage and bell pepper pasta in a Ninja Speedie. Alright, I'm starting on my Ninja Speedie. I'm going to add in a 1 pound or 16 ounce box of dry ziti pasta. Now I have 2 jars of sauce here. These are 24 ounces each. I'm going to add both of them in there. And I'm going to put some water in the jars. Alright, I took one of the jars and I filled it up with water. I'm going to add some water in here. And I'm just going right up to the pasta with the water. That's almost a whole jar. A little over 3/4 of a jar of water. And then I have, pardon the noise, I have 2 green bell peppers I sliced up. They're going to go in. Let me grab a spoon to push them peppers down in the sauce. And that pasta will drink up that liquid, so don't worry about that. Alright, I'm going to put the tray on top that came with the Speedie. And I have some sweet Italian sausage here. This here is 6 links. I'm going to lay that in on top of the tray. And halfway through the cooking process, I'll go in and I'll turn this sausage over. That way there it gets nice and golden brown on all sides. I'm going to close my lid down. Make sure we're set on the rapid quick setting, which we are. Alright, I'm going to turn on the Speedie. We want to go to Speedie meals, which we're at. We went to temperature 390, and we're going to set our time for 20 minutes. Now this will come up to temperature. It'll start steaming. And then when it's about halfway through the steaming, it'll start to air fry that sausage. Alright, this has been cooking for 10 minutes. I know my sausage is done. I'm going to pull it out and set it aside and let the pasta finish cooking. Alright, my time's up. Even though I took the sausage out, I left the tray on the top so this won't get so crispy brown to help shield it from the air fryer function. I took that sausage and I cut it up. We're going to dump that in and stir it into the pasta and peppers. And you can see how that pasta drank up all that extra liquid in there. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, you can go ahead and top that with some cheese if you like. I'm just going to eat it as is. Let me get in here and give it a try. I'll start with the pasta. Pasta's tender. Right away absorbed, picked up the flavor of that sauce and those peppers that actually infused right into the pasta. Let me get a little pepper. Peppers have a little bit of a bite to them. If you like them more tender, I just suggest sauteing them in the pan before you add all the ingredients in for a few minutes, a little olive oil. Try a little bit of the sausage. Really delicious. Has that good sweet Italian sausage flavor. And if you've never had air fried sausage, you gotta try it, guys. That's about the most delicious way you can eat it. It's about the healthiest way because all the grease strips out of it. Sausage and pepper pasta in a Ninja Speedie. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.